when you look at the space here, you can't put air conditioning here. You get it? Okay. You can't put air conditioning here. But there will be TV here. There's a window here. This is the outside. So this is the best place you can put the air conditioning. What I say? So this part, I deal with. I say we link him up, and I say we link it top. You link the top. Okay. So I have a 2.5 HP. Into a bay use, till copper part of the bay use will be half inch, half inch and 3/8. Anybody use one? I'm at this side. When we get to the other side, I'll be showing you which one we'll be using, which one we'll not be using. You get it? You keep it in your head. Okay, so can you pipe me? First thing, my country say the most important thing. The most important thing, and he said, I'm here. Where's it? Only half inch on. Michael, Susu, from top walk, back down. You can just stop. Brother, can you confirm?